So you've saved up your first $1,000 and want to start investing. But where do you begin? In this video, I'll show you how I started with just one Apple stock and why you should consider investing your first $1,000 right now. Before we dive in, let me explain why Apple is a great choice for first-time investors. Apple is a stable, blue-chip company with consistent growth and a proven track record. But this isn't just about Apple. It's about learning the mindset and steps to start your investment journey with confidence. Using the Investopedia Simulator, which gives you $100,000 in virtual cash, I decided to test my investment skills. At first, I wasn't sure, so I only bought one share of Apple stock for $224. Today, that share is worth around $250. While I started small, I realized the potential of investing larger amounts, like $1,000, to see even bigger returns. Over the next few weeks, I tracked my portfolio and saw how Apple's stock fluctuated. It taught me a crucial lesson. Patience pays off. I also realized the importance of starting with a meaningful amount, like $1,000, because small investments grow slower. This is why I recommend committing more upfront to make the most of your gains. While I started with just one share, I learned so much from this experience. Had I invested $1,000, the returns would have been much more significant. But even with my small start, the experience gave me the confidence to invest more in the future and understand how the market works. If you've been hesitant to start investing, don't wait. Begin with a small amount, do your research, and learn as you go. Want more tips? Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let me know in the comments where you're planning to invest your first $1,000.